That looks a cracking ball. This is promising. Make sure that's not getting through. Is on. Saka. And that interception was almost determined.
That's a modern defender's instinct from a modern coach's mindset.
The pass is intercepted. Now the breakaway.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Towering header. Quite right, his teammates are irritated at that. Well, they could break here. Sends it forward. Cole. Oh, that's a kick
There, that was bang in the corner, unstoppable.